How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to the Roving Ronin, and this is episode number 4. Hey guys, I could not wait to make this one. This is actually a brand new knife in my collection, one that I've really been waiting on for a while. A couple issues behind it, but I'll get to that in a few minutes. This is Damn Designs. It was a pre-order I had made quite a while back. To those of you in the EDC knife community, I'm sure you've seen them. They have some really great designs, and they really fill an interesting niche. I guess you could say that basically they're what you would say falls into the quote unquote budget category. Although they do have some really great, titanium scale upgrades and steel upgrades like a lot of companies do, but they fill a great niche. So I have a personal philosophy: when there's a company that has, a line of budget knives and then some higher end ones, I always like to start at the budget end, kind of get a feel on how much care and how much effort they put into their budget lines. So I started out on one of the more basic models, the Invictus. Did take a while to get to me, through no real fault of the company. I'm sure we're all familiar with the current supply chain issues that are going on around the world. It affected, things like the handle materials. Then there was a delay. It turns out, now initially, like I said, I ordered a pretty basic knife. It was G10 scales and 1428 and knife steel, which, by the way, and I'll get into this in another episode, absolutely great steel. It really is. I mean, I know it's considered a budget end steel, but it's so easy to work with it. It's really great. But I'm not going to go off onto a knife nerd rant. So I ordered it in 1428, and they had some issues with 1428, and so a lot of the people who ordered it actually wound up getting an upgrade. Some people got, I think, N690, and I was fortunate enough to get an upgrade to 154 CM, another favorite of mine. So obviously, no way to complain. Now, I will be honest, I did open the package. I've been waiting for it for a while. I wanted to make sure everything was, as is. But I want to do just a quick unboxing. Have not really handled it yet. I wanted to make sure I filmed it as I was doing it. So without further ado, let's take a look at the Damn Designs Invictus. But before we do, don't forget to go and smash that like and subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You'll see my Instagram label down here. It's Bill's EDC_obsession. Alright, so here we go with the Invictus. Alrighty. I think I did open it a little bit. I can get my finger in there enough to... There we go. Now, I got the tan. My options at the time were a tan, G10, and a jade. I'm liking the weight of it right off the bat. Centering is close. I gotta say, I like the milling on the G10. It almost gives it a kind of a contoured feel. Wow. Great action. Wow. Okay, now I remember exactly why I picked the Invictus. Really a sucker for a flat grind. Great job. See if we can, yeah, there she is on there. 154 CM. Wow. I'm not sure. Is this titanium? I'll have to look into that. Absolutely amazing. And pretty much drop shut action. Takes a little bit of a A little bit of a jiggle to get it closed. All right. I want to see if we can get some measurements on it. Now, like I said, one of the great things about Damn Designs, you know, oddly enough, our last episode was a reaction to a viewer comment that wanted to know. Oh, no, excuse me. It was our first ever unboxing. We unboxed a Civivi Odium. This, too, that particular Civivi falls into the quote-unquote budget category. I sort of really hate defining it that way, but I know that's how everybody sort of how everybody else just sort of sees it. So I don't want you to think it's a trend. You know, it's not like we're only focusing on budget knives. Just happens to be the position how the mail system works. See if we can't just find. There you go. All right. I want to get a open length on this. Oh, loving that. Absolutely loving the action on this. All right. Full length is coming in at 8 inches on the button. Blade length. Coming in, not quite 3.5. I'm going to say about 3.5. But due to the geometry of this, so like maybe a little under 3.45 maybe for the overall blade length, and about a 3.35 for the overall cutting edge. The overall weight, I don't have a scale. That's a prop we're definitely going to be adding in the future based on my experience with knives. This is coming in at about 5 ounces. I'm sure I'm off a little bit here or there, but yeah, that's the general overall on that. And like I said, you know, it's that particular niche. This is great. This came in at, I believe, about $60. Now, I know there are upgrades for this. You can get titanium scales. Pretty sure they have an S35VN version of it. I know they also have some more, I don't want to say out there, some more futuristic designs that are a lot more popular. I just wanted to try it with this, but I can tell you, just based on the fit and finish of this, for a $60 knife, the action and the workmanship on it, it's, yeah, this is a no-brainer for me to order from them in the future. You know, and I know there are going to be people who watch this who, like me, had the same, you know, issues with delays and waiting, and I don't necessarily get as stressed about things like that as some people might, but that does not mean I don't understand it. Obviously, in a perfect world, like everything to work out the way we'd like it to work out. Just completely based on the knife itself, I'm certainly happy with the purchase. You don't see that many budget knives in this $60 price range have that kind of action. There are a few. I mean, you know, the more well-established Civivis and Kaisers and companies like that, but I think this is certainly a worthy competition to those. This is absolutely great. Really loving the grind on it. I don't know anything about their factory edges, so I will be carrying this knife just sort of finishing up carrying the Odium. Did a little basic knife overview when we first came in with the unboxing. So I've been carrying that. I want to carry it for about 2 weeks, and I'm going to do a full review of the knife. I'm going to start carrying this one pretty much as my primary carry as well, and there will be a full review of this as well. But I want to thank you guys for joining me for this. Again, really excited. I'm happy to report, do have another knife inbound that I'll be doing an unboxing on. Really special one too. So stay tuned. I want to thank you for joining us, and I will link Damn Design's link down below. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe, help our channel grow. And again, my Instagram tag is Bill's EDC_obsession. And we are looking forward to seeing you guys in the future and seeing your comments and letting us know some of the things you want to see in the future as well. I say this all the time, and I always try to avoid repeating myself, but this one's important. We have a great community in the knife and the EDC community. It's, you know, when I started out just collecting knives, I had a really, really basic understanding, and 98% of it came from this community, the people I've met, the people who do exactly this kind of social media, has broadened my horizons, and it's something I want to tap into and find out what excites you guys and what you're looking forward to seeing. So let us know. Leave a comment down below, and have a great day. Stay safe. See you soon.